home cooked Rogan goes. It's very delicious, very tasty, and you will definitely like the taste of it. And please do like my video, watch it till the end, and subscribe to my channel. Cheers! So let's make a pocket of masala. So we're gonna add this masalas in the pocket here. So we're gonna give a nice wrap. Seal up the edges, all the four corners, and make it tight. Not really tight, so little tight. The pocket full of masala is ready, you can see. So I'm gonna add oil in this. 3 spoons of oil. So we're gonna add mutton in this. And we're gonna saute this for 15 minutes till the color changes. So now it's the time to add caramelized onions. So we have 7 of caramelized onions. So now after say 2 minutes, we're gonna add ginger garlic paste, 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste. Once the smell goes off, we're gonna add water in this. Now we'll add little water in this. And add a pouch. We're gonna let this cook for say 15 minutes now. Put this up. So after let this cook for 15 minutes. Add tomato puree in this. So these are 5 tomatoes. So we'll add 1 tablespoon of salt. So we'll add 2 tablespoons of chili powder, paprika. I am using Kashmiri lal mirch because it gives you the color at the same time. So 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. So 1 tablespoon of fennel powder. Half a tablespoon of garam masala. and half a tablespoon of hing. Next on the curd yogurt. So we're gonna add 2 cups of yogurt. So now we're gonna lid this up and let this cook for say 15 minutes now. So now it's ready. You can see the color, it's come really good. I'm gonna taste it now. Hey, if you would have liked my video, and you definitely have to try this at home and give me a feedback. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. Cheers!